All right, Bella, ready? Whoa, come on. Wait, it's too slippery for human. Bella. This is what you get for taking your dog for a walk after rain. What'd you find? Nothing. Come on. Bella, slow down. I'm slipping. And you don't care because you want to get home to your treats. Another fall almost. How do dogs not slide in the mud? Hey Bella, how do you not slide in the mud? Okay, almost fell this spot too. But Bella's doing well. Look at her go. Is this the way we came, Bella? Hey. Do you know where you're going? Or are you just taking a random trail? Well, I think we are on the right spot. Ah, you were right, Bella. We're back. Let's go find that bag of poop we left behind. Oh, you want to keep going? No.